You know that feeling when you try a product expecting it to be just okay? Yeah, that's exactly how I started with the ECOVACS GOAT O1000 RTK Care Kit. I figured it'd be another robot mower with a long feature list and a bunch of compromises. Turns out, I was completely wrong. The first surprise came before it even touched the grass. There are no perimeter wires to install, no spending half a day digging around the yard. Instead, it uses RTK positioning to understand exactly where it is, then it automatically maps your lawn. Within minutes, it already knew where to mow, where not to go, and how to move around the yard without me babysitting it. That's when I realized this wasn't mowing randomly. It actually plans its route. Watching it work is oddly satisfying because every pass looks intentional. Instead of bouncing all over the place like older robot mowers, it leaves behind clean, organized lines that make the lawn look professionally maintained. Another thing that genuinely impressed me was how close it cuts to edges. Driveways, walkways, garden borders. The True Edge system gets surprisingly close, which means a lot less time coming back with a string trimmer afterward. That's one of those little things that saves you more work than you expect. Obstacle avoidance was another pleasant surprise. Thanks to its AI-powered vision system, it slows down, recognizes objects, and works around them instead of charging straight into everything in its path. Add in features like rain detection, automatic charging, anti-theft protection, and even an animal protection mode, and it starts feeling more like a smart outdoor assistant than just another mower. Now let's talk about the Care Kit, because this version gives you something that's actually useful. You get 36 extra replacement blades right in the box. That means months of sharp cutting without immediately shopping for replacements. It also includes an RTK extension cable, making it much easier to position the antenna where it gets the strongest satellite signal for reliable navigation. And honestly, that's the kind of bundle I wish more companies offered. Everything is managed through the app, where you can create multiple mowing zones, set schedules, and let it take care of the front yard, backyard, or both without any extra effort. At the end of the day, what surprised me most wasn't just the technology, it was how easy everything felt. Setup was simple, the app made sense, the mowing looked great, and once it finished, it quietly returned to its charging station like nothing even happened. I honestly didn't expect the ECOVACS GOAT O1000 RTK Care Kit to perform this well, but after seeing it in action, I can definitely understand why more homeowners are switching to robotic lawn mowers. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more smart home and robot tech reviews, and let me know in the comments. Would you trust a robot to mow your lawn?